Hello watcher and subscriber and my dear student also. We will see the concept of LCM. The long form of LCM is least common multiple. So as you observe in this picture you will get some idea. Suppose I am asking you, you have to calculate the LCM of two number and these two numbers are suppose 2 and 5. So first you can calculate this by using multiple method. So you have to write multiples of 2. So multiples are 2, start with 2, next is 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the multiples of 2. So what about the multiple of 5? 5, 10, so on. So now you observe the common number in this both the list. 2 is present here, 2 is not here. 4 is present, 4 is not here. So the 10, it is present here and it is present here. So this is the common number which is coming first and which is present in the multiple of 2 and 5. And this is the least common multiple. Means before the 10 no one number is present that is common in multiples of 2 and 5. This is the first number which is common in the multiples of 2 and 5. So this is what the least common multiple. Common means it is common in the both multiples and least means the smallest, that is known as the smallest common multiple. So here this is exactly the concept of LCM. Here you see in the example, suppose you are calculating the LCM of 3 and 5. So you have to write multiple of 3 and 5. So here in the both list 15 is the first number which is smallest and which is common in the both multiples. So the LCM will be 15. So the LCM is 15 and here the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So we have the various method, multiple method, prime factorization method and division method. So by using all these three methods you can find the LCM. So for student point of view, LCM using multiple method is one of the easiest method but it take more time. Suppose you are calculating the LCM of 8, 12 and 16. So you have to write multiplication table of 8, multiplication table of 12, multiplication table of 16. But if the bigger number is there like 20, 25, 30, 36, 37, then it will take time to write the multiples of the number or the multiplication table. So if the smaller numbers are there, then what happen? We use this trick. So you have to write LCM using the multiples method. So first you have to write 8, then 12 and then 16. And once it is written, you have to pick the common number. So which number is common here? Here I am finding 48 is present here, it is present here, it is present here. So ultimately its LCM is 48 because it is the smallest number. Before that no one number which is common in all these three tables. So 48 is the common, so LCM is 48. Now we will see the next method. So here the next method is LCM using factorization method. Means here you can use the concept of tree factorization or the division concept also you can use. So for the explanation point of view, I am taking the simple numbers. So LCM using prime factorization. So I am taking three number 8, 12, 15. So here I am showing you how to calculate LCM using the factorization method. So I am taking this method, division method. So as you know, you have to divide this by prime number. So 2 can divide 8. So 2 4s are 8. Again 4 can be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So their factors are, you have to write all these prime number into multiplication process. So 2 into 2 into 2. So these are the prime factors of which number? 8. So prime factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Next number is 12. So this is for number 8. Next number is 12. So you just write 12 here. You can divide this number by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again you divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. So you can write into prime factorization 2 into 2 into 3. Next one is 15. You can divide this number by 3. 3 5s are 15. So you can write 3 into 5. So this is the prime factorization. Then in the next step you have to write LCM. So LCM of all these three numbers. So here you have to choose common number first. So in this list you observe 2 is present here. 2 is present here. It is not present here. So you have to write only once. 2 is present here. It is present here. So you have to write once. Then next number 3. 3 is present here. It is present here. So you have to write 3. Then you have to write uncommon number. Uncommon number here it is 2. Then remaining number is here 5. So here what is the answer? You have to do multiplication. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. Then 24 into 5. So it is 120 and that is what the LCM. So this is quite easy method. Most of the students, they easily understand this. You can also follow that. So that is what prime factorization method. So that is division method. So in this division method what we do, suppose you have the three number. So suppose the numbers I am taking 10, 12, 15. So while calculating the LCM, you at a time write all the number 10, 12, 15 and then you have to divide at a time. Suppose whenever you divide, again you have to take particular prime number. You cannot take composite number. So here you have to choose specific number which will divide either all the three number or at least two number. So here I am taking number 2 which will divide first two numbers. So 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12, 15 you cannot divide, so write as it is. Then next number you can choose 5 because 5 ones are 5, 6 write as it is because you cannot divide by 5. Then 5 3s are 15. Then after that you can take 3 which will divide 6 and 3. 1 write as it is, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So finally their LCM equal to, you have to do all the multiplication with prime number 2 into 5 into 3 into, there is no need to write 1 because if you multiply with 1 you will get the same number. So you write 2. Then calculate the answer. 2 into 5 10. 10 into 3 is 5 into 2 10. 30 and here it is 60. So the LCM is 60. So in this way you can use all these three methods, whichever the method you feel easy that you can use for the LCM. And if in the question specific method is asked, then you have to follow that method. So once you understood all these three methods, you can solve any question. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.